We on? Oh, I guess so. Alright, let's roll. Yeah. Wee. It's a rollover number one. You could do another rollover? Yeah, ready? Wee. Rollover number two. Yeah. You want to do one more? Good boy. Look at that. Yeah. He's a sweetie boy. How about we do... There we go. Salty. Come on, buddy. Hey. Go ahead. Come on, buddy. Salty. Yeah, come on. Come on, put it in there. Go ahead. Come on, Salty. You know how to do it. Yeah. You're my good boy tonight, huh? I guess he didn't show up? Oh, come on. You know how to do that trick. Yeah. Take your treaty. There's a good birdie. Come on. There's a good boy. Let's do another singing song. Come on, let's do a singing. Come on, let's do a singer. Come on. There's a good... Yeah, good boy. You do another one? Come on. Yeah, it's a good bird. What a good boy. Come on, you gonna do your balancing? Come on, up we go. Come on, Salty. Yeah, come on. See, we're not really gonna cooperate tonight, are we, huh? There he is. Come on, up you go. There's a good boy. There's a good birdie. Yeah. You gonna do your spinnies? Ready? One, two. Come on. Come on, Salty. Two. One more. Three. Good birdie. Good boy. You gonna shake hands? Yeah, that's another good job. Yes, it is. Right, up we go. Up. Come on. Yeah, there's a good birdie. Let's do your on your back. Yeah. Look at that. What a good boy. Yay! Yeah. You do my favorite trick? Yeah, that's a good boy. Very good, Salty. You do telephone? Come on, Salty. Ring, 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 ring. Oh, hold on. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. It's for you, Salty. Here. Yeah. Good boy. Very good. You're going to run through the tricks like it's nobody's business, right? See, there's a baby. Will you put the baby in the carriage? Put the baby in the cradle. Good boy. Yeah. Can I have it? Have the baby? Good, birdie. How about the cradle? Yes, that's a very good boy, Salty. Very good job. Shall we play some darts? Come on, let's play some darts. Even though Mommy's not here, we'll play some darties. All right, ready? Go ahead. Give Daddy a good score. That's a 18. That's good. All right. How about you give mommy a score? Go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, come on, you fix that. Come on, over here. And mommy gets an 18 too. All right. 1, 2. Oh, he's a good boy tonight. He just going through all the trickies, one after another, right? What a smart birdie he is. All right, let's play. Oh, yeah, come on. Ready? Good. Oh, thank you, Salty. He's a good boy. Yeah, you do again? Come on. Yeah, oh, he's a good boy. Very good, buddy. Yeah, you gonna do your blockies? Come on, let's do some blocks. Good. Good boy. Very good. You're so good at that, right? You do another one? Come on. Good job. Can you do the last one? Can you do the last one for Daddy? Oh, look at that, huh? You gonna give him back to me? Come on. Come on, give him to Daddy. 1. Come on, hey. 1, 2. Good boy. You're doing very slow tonight. Hey, one more. Hey, what about this one? All right, you get off because you're a little nervous tonight. He's a little nervous birdie tonight. Can we play some pool? Come on. Ready? All right, go ahead. Good boy. Yeah. All right, do the rest of them. Do some more. Come on. You can do the rest. Now you got to put it in there. Come on. Here. Go ahead. Do the rest. Keep going. Yeah. Are you get the rest in there? Go ahead. You gonna finish? 1. Go ahead. 2 more. All right. Last one. Last one, Salty. Good boy. Very good. He's a smart bird tonight. He's doing these one after another like crazy, huh? He's a smart boy. How about skating? Want to do some skating? Come on, let's do your skateboard. Come on, up we go. Go ahead. Ready? No, come on. Hey. It's all right. Come on, Salty. Hey, come on. You gonna do the skateboard? Come on. There's a good boy. Whee! Very good. Yes, a good boy. Are you gonna give it to me? Thank you, Salty. It's a good birdie. Yeah, well, you get a big one there for that, huh? You do a little bowling? You do some birdie bowling? We'll do a little bit of birdie bowling, okay? We won't do a full game tonight. We'll just do a quick one. Because you don't want the video to go oversized now, do we? All right, you ready? All right, come on, you do it. Go ahead, Salty. Let's get him down on 1. Go ahead. Ah, good boy. Yeah. I know you didn't do too good tonight, but that's all right. We're just showing that you know how to do the bowling. Yeah, I know. It's very strange. It's very strange, Salty, getting all these tricks and treats and stuff without doing a full McGilla. Let's see if you can do a hard one now. You gonna give Daddy a bear? Where's the bear, Salty? Where's the bear? Come on. Where's the bear? You could do the bear? Come on, buddy. Yeah? Where's the bear? No, we don't want to do that trick tonight? Alright, come here. Come on. Where's the bear? No? Alright. It's alright. You don't have to do it tonight. Wait, can you do one? Can you do it? Is Daddy the bear? Have the bear? Where's the bear? Good boy. Very good, Salty. You at least did one, right? There's a good birdie. How about we go shopping? You want to go shopping? First you put, where's the carrot goes in there? Where's the carrot go? Yeah, that's a good boy. And the cracker. Yeah, and then the bird. Good boy. He loads it up really good. All right, let's go shopping. Ready? Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Very good, Salty. How about we play a little quick game of Where Is It? Want to do Where Is It? Ready? All right, Salty. Where is it? Where is it, Salty? There it is. Good boy. Can I have it? Can I have it? Oh, you're gonna scratch it? Good boy. You're doing very good. How about you want to do the little ringies? You want to do a little ringies? Yeah. There you go. Go ahead. Good birdie. All right. Let's, oh, you forgot a piece. Yeah, you got a piece. You want to do another one? Good boy. You do one more? Good job. All right. You gonna give it back to Daddy? Oh, two at once. One more? Yeah, that's a good boy. Wow, very good. You're a very good boy tonight. Let's see if you can do fire drill. You gonna do fire drill? Come on. Come on. All the way around, all the way around. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, do fire drill. All right, come on. Ready? Go ahead. Come on, bud. Go ahead. You can do it. It's all right. Yeah, you're going to do your fire drill? No? All right. You don't have to. You never have to do a trick you don't want to. How about playing basketball? You play some basketball with Daddy? I just got to get a ball now, right? Stupid Daddy. Didn't even come prepared for it. Oh, I can't believe it. Here we go. Here. Here's the bully. Where's it go? You going to play a game? Oh, you dropped it. What happened? Here, here. You dropped it. Go ahead. Come on, put the basket. Come on, buddy. Yeah. Come on, put it in there. You can do it. You know how to do it good. Good boy. Want to do it again? Go ahead. Good birdie. Good boy, Salty. It's like a marathon for you, huh? Want to take another whack at this one? Yeah, come on. Go ahead, buddy. Come on. Round and round and round. Go ahead. Round and round and round and round and round and round. Here we go. All the way around. Oh, come on. You didn't cheat. All right. You get it anyway, even though you do it too most of the times. Good boy. Good boy. Wanna do your pumpkin? You do your pumpkin trick? Come on. Where's it go? In there? Oh, it's all right. Here you go, Salty. Salty. No, don't drop it. Come on. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. You know how to do it. No. No, you don't want to do it? Try again. Try again. Yeah, you can do it. Come on, in here. Come on, in here you go. There's a good boy. In there. Come on, try again. That's a good boy. Yeah, you gonna do one more? Will you do one more for me? Go ahead. Good bird. That's a happy Halloween birdie. All right, give him to Daddy. 1, 2. Very good, Salty. You're a smart boy. You're a smart birdie. Here you go. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. There you go. All right, we don't have many more left. And we won't have any tricks left at all. And this is not like half of them. All right, you want to go do your hoopies? Go ahead. All the way through. Salty. No? All right. How about you do some flippies? Want to do some flippies for me? That you'll do, right? Yeah, there's a good bird. You do old school? Salty can do old school? Oh, come on. Go ahead. There's an old school. That's a good boy. Very good. That's a sweetie pie. That is a sweetie bird. Come on, up we go. Very few left. Ready? 1. Let's try again. Ready? Come on, do the trick right. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's another one we're not doing tonight. Okay, Salty. Let's see. What else do we have here that's ready? I think that's all we're gonna do tonight, because I think you're getting a little tired, right? Let me just get the slide, and we'll do the slide and the ladder, all right? Do your come on, let's do your ladder. Come on, up we go. Up we go. Yeah. All the way up. All the way up we go. Good boy. Come on back. Good job. Very good, buddy. All right, last trick. Let's do your slide. Come on. Yeah, there's a good boy. Come on now. Whee! Good birdie. All right, last one. Last one, Salty. We'll call it a night with that one then. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Here it is. Last one. Yeah. Come on, here's your last one here, buddy. Come on. Does that wood taste good? Yeah? Alright. I can see you're not into it tonight. Alright, buddy. Yeah, you did very good tonight, considering, huh? Alright, let's do your... You want some schnibbles? Schnibbles are what's left over from training. Huh? You want your schnibbles? Oh yeah, you always want that, right? You grind it all up and you give it to him. Yeah. Very good, Bowie. Good job. Say thank you, Daddy.